Vending machine capacity deepened box PK normal box. The front of the machine is the same horizontal line. Let's take a look at the back. Deepened box is significantly deeper than normal box. The deepened box is 80 mm thicker than the normal box. Specific to the cargo lane capacity, the same cargo lane size deepened box. Each cargo lane can hold one more bottle of beverage than the normal box. The whole machine is more than 6 times 10 times 1 is equal to 60 bottles of drinks. Appearance comparison. Deepened box is more suitable for places with high traffic flow and can also reduce labor costs and improve operational efficiency.